In this video, pag-usapan natin yung Game 1 ng PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup Finals between TNT and San Miguel. Game 1, ginanap January 21, 2026 sa Inares Center sa Antipolo City. Magandang araw Pilipinas, I'm Ruben Terrado and I write sports for spin.ph, and thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel. And ito no, after a long time no, gawa tayo ng recap video at pag-usapan natin Game 1 ng finals between TNT and San Miguel, at nagwagi nga itong TNT laban sa San Miguel sa score na 96-91 no. Itong TNT, marami nagsasabi na underdog against the powerhouse San Miguel team na nag-top seed sa eliminations, at tinalo ang NLEX and Barangay Ginebra sa semifinals. And in Game 1, nanaig itong TNT laban sa defending champions na San Miguel Beermen. So ano ba yung mga keys to the victory, yung mga numero? At first of all, TNT led from start to finish. No? Ganda ng start nila, 29-20 at the end of the first quarter, and then eventually lumaki ito. Biggest lead was at 19 points at 46-27, at isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit naging malaki yung lamang ng TNT for the most part of the game is si Kelly Williams, who had 15 points and 9 rebounds. Actually, balance scoring attack talaga itong TNT sa larong ito. But Kelly Williams led the way, 10 points in the first half. And siya talaga yung isa sa mga dahilan no, ng set ng tone para sa TNT sa Game 1. No? And like I mentioned, he was not alone. Marami talaga ang tumulong upang makuha ng TNT itong panalo. Isa na rin si Calvin Oftana. Of course, usual game niya to. Yung siya talaga yung nagdadala in terms of scoring and other departments, including 3-point shots. He had 13 points and 10 rebounds. 5 of 12 shooting from the field. Not really yung talagang very impressive no, dahil in a way naging maganda rin yung depensa ni Jericho Cruz sa kanya. But eventually during the fourth quarter, meron dong stretch na umiscore siya ng back-to-back baskets no, against Jericho Cruz. At dahil nga doon ay lumaki yung lalamang ng TNT during the fourth quarter, although eventually humabol itong San Miguel in the end. Pero kahit naibaba ng San Miguel yung kalamangan, the lowest was at 1 point, ay nanaig pa rin ng TNT sa Game 1. And ito yung pinaka-key stat no, sa game na ito, no, yung bench points. Kasi I'm sure isa ito sa mga magiging keys to this series, no, yung bench points, dahil yung depth ng both teams, yun talaga yung pinag-uusapan ngayon. No? Especially itong San Miguel, where itong Beermen kasi sila yung number 1 in the league pagdating sa bench points. And then, ito naman TNT prior to this season ay nagpalakas para mas lalong lumalim yung kanilang kupunan. They signed Gio Halalon, Kevin Ferrer, and itong si Tyro Sil para lumalim yung kanilang bench. At ito, pinakita ng TNT na at least for Game 1 ay malalim din yung kanilang bench, no? Outscoring itong San Miguel pagdating sa bench points sa score na 48-27. So yan yung isa sa mga naging dahilan kung ba't nanalo itong TNT sa ball game na to. Na-mention nga rin ni Coach Chot Reyes yan, no, na kahit pa paano no, yung bench naman ng TNT ay laban sa San Miguel. Talagang kailangan lang gawin ng TNT is to defend itong kanilang mga bench scorers. No? At na-mention din yan ni ng Coach Leo Astria after Game 1 na talagang intent talaga ng San Miguel or ng TNT na talagang makontain yung mga usual na mga nagpo-produce sa San Miguel sa bench. No? So yan talaga yung talagang naging isang sa mga reasons kung ba't nanalo ang TNT sa Game 1. At isa sa mga nag-shine off the bench sa TNT, itong si Jordan Heading, 13 points, 8 rebounds. Na-mention natin kanina na naibaba ng San Miguel sa 1 point ang kalamangan ng TNT in the final seconds. Si Jordan Heading yung mga nagbuslo ng final 4 free throws during the last moments of the game upang tuluyan nang makuha ng TNT ang panalo at napigilan yung rally attempt ng San Miguel sa Game 1. And Jordan Heading, like I mentioned, was responsible for sealing the win with those free throws in the end game. So ano pa bang mga naging keys to this victory? Nabanggit natin yung bench points. Henry Galinato played well off the bench again for TNT. 12 points on 6 of 7 shooting from the field. Itong si Henry Galinato, napansin natin tumataas yung kanyang kumpiyansa after being given mas marami siyang minutes actually nung elimination round and even the playoffs for TNT, at mukhang nagbubunga yung pagbibigay ni Coach Chot Reyes ng kumpiyansa dito kay Henry Galinato. He delivered in Game 1 with 12 points on 6 of 7 shooting from the field. Maganda rin yung kanyang depensa against the bigs of San Miguel, including itong syempre si 9-time MVP na si Junmar Fajardo. And then ito, the usual na mga bench players ng TNT, itong si Simon Enciso and Kim Aurin, they started actually in Game 1 at maganda rin yung kanilang pinakita as they played as a starter in Game 1. Simon Enciso, isa rin sa mga tumulong sa TNT para magkaroon ng kanilang hot start sa first quarter, scoring 8 of his 10 points in the first quarter. Itong si Simon Enciso brought the energy sa game na to, and most especially naging din siya, isa rin siyang key player pagdating sa depensa dahil during that first quarter, at least yung early part, ay siya yung nagbabantay sa ball carrier ng San Miguel na si Chris Ross. And we all know Simon Enciso, very familiar sa San Miguel, being a former player of San Miguel. And for Game 1, ay maganda yung pinakita ni Simon Enciso when he faced his old team. Kim Aurin started, actually this is his first start of the conference. 1 of 3 from the field and in 13 minutes, 2 points. Although yan 2 points na yan, if I'm not mistaken, yan yung first 2 points of the game. So immediately, although pwedeng sabihin ng iba na minor lang itong 2 points na to, but at least ito si Kim Aurin, he was able to deliver immediately para sa TNT as a starter for the tropang 5G. And itong si Kim Aurin, actually siya yung nag-start in place of Jordan Heading dahil nabanggit nga ni Coach Chot Reyes din during the post-game press conference na nagkasakit tong si Jordan Heading in the days leading up to Game 1. Kaya nung Tuesday pa nga, hindi daw nag-practice itong si Jordan Heading. So dahil nga hindi nag-ensayo si Heading, TNT opted to bring in a different starting unit, which included Simon Enciso and Kim Aurin. And in this ball game, sila Enciso and Aurin, I believe talagang they stepped up, especially to si Enciso bringing the energy on offense and on defense as well. And then on the San Miguel side, Junmar Fajardo, normal numbers for him, 24 points, 17 rebounds. Mo Tautua, 22 points, 4 rebounds, 2 steals. Pero yun, babalik tayo sa bench production ng San Miguel. Number 1 in the league, hindi sila masyado nag-deliver for Game 1 with Jericho Cruz, 8 points, 5 assists. Decent performance for Jericho Cruz. Maganda rin yung kanilang pinakita on defense, especially against Calvin Oftana during the fourth quarter. But I guess kulang pa rin to. 0 of 2 from 3s, 4 of 9 from the field to si Jericho Cruz. Don Trollano struggled in this game, 1 of 7 from the field, 4 points. I think 4-point shot pa yun, itong 4 points ni Don Trollano. So, yung 1 of 7 na yan, yung 1 na yan was a 4-pointer, and then si Marshall Lassiter 0 for 3 from the field. So, ayan, nabanggit din niya ni Coach Leo Austria after game 1 na kailangan mag-step up talaga yung bench ng San Miguel for game 2, which is scheduled on Friday sa Inares Center uli, no, sa Antipolo City. So, yan yung ating recap ng game 1. Kayo, anong tingin nyo? Anong naging mga reasons kung bakit nanalo itong TNT over San Miguel sa larong ito? Just comment down below. And for more of this game, ay panoorin nyo yung mga interviews natin na ating ginawa kasama yung ating mga kasamahan ng mga reporters after the game sa ating YouTube channel. Nandyan po yan yung interviews about kila Junmar Fajardo, even kay Simon Enciso, and kay Coach Leo Austria. Watch those interviews sa ating YouTube channel. Alright, dyan na po nagtatapos yung ating recap of Game 1 of the PBA Season 50 Philippine Cup Finals. Thank you for watching us on our YouTube channel, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more updates about sports, especially now na nasa home stretch na tayo ng PBA 50th Season Philippine Cup Finals. Okay, ako po uli si Ruben Terrado, and we will see you next time. At magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.